Have you ever pondered the magic behind a water softener? How does it transform that hard, mineral-laden water into something softer? Well, it's not magic, but science, and today we're going to unravel that mystery together. First things first, what exactly is hard water? Simply put, it's water that contains high amounts of dissolved minerals, primarily calcium and magnesium. These minerals can cause problems in your home, from scale buildup in your pipes to spots on your dishes, and even making your laundry feel rough. Now, enter the water softener. This household hero works tirelessly to combat the effects of hard water, but how does it do it? The answer lies in a process called ion exchange. Imagine a game of musical chairs. Except in this game, the chairs are the mineral ions in your water and the players are the resin beads in the water softener. When the music starts, that is, when hard water enters the softener, the calcium and magnesium ions are attracted to the resin beads. They rush to grab a spot, displacing the sodium ions that were initially on the beads. When the music stops, or when the water leaves the softener, the calcium and magnesium ions stay behind, stuck to the resin, and the water that flows out is now softened. Over time, the resin beads fill up with calcium and magnesium ions and need to be cleaned or regenerated. The water softener has a solution of salt water or brine for this. The brine washes over the resin, the sodium ions swap places with the calcium and magnesium ions, and the unwanted minerals are flushed away. The resin is now ready for another round of ion exchange, and the cycle continues. To summarize, a water softener works in three main steps. Firstly, it uses ion exchange to swap hard mineral ions in your water with sodium ions. Secondly, it holds onto the unwanted minerals until it's time for regeneration. Finally, it cleans itself with a brine solution, flushing away the hard minerals and preparing for the next round of softening. Water softening is a simple yet effective process, and understanding it can help you better appreciate the role of a water softener in your home. So next time you enjoy a spotless glass or soft laundry, remember the science that made it possible. It may not be magic, but it's pretty close.